Hi, I'm Dr. Phil Schauer, past president of ASMBS and one of the founders of ObesityWeek. It's a real privilege to give the 2019 Mason Lecture this year at ObesityWeek in Las Vegas. The U.S. alone spends more than $300 billion a year to treat obesity and diabetes, yet more than 100,000 Americans die each year from complications of obesity and type 2 diabetes. Intentional weight loss via lifestyle intervention, medications, or surgery has been the mainstay of treating obesity and diabetes for many years, yet surprisingly, there is no clear evidence that weight loss actually reduces morbidity and mortality. The Look Ahead study showed many years ago that lifestyle intervention can result in a weight loss as much as 6% body weight on average over 10 years, yet without mortality benefit. Metabolic surgery typically produces much greater weight loss, approximately 20% of body weight. Now, there are 12 randomized controlled trials that have consistently shown metabolic surgery to be superior to medical management of type 2 diabetes and obesity. Yet, these studies are insufficiently powered to show a mortality or morbidity benefit. There are more than 20 observational studies that suggest surgery may produce a mortality benefit, yet these observational studies have limitations and significant flaws. Now, the U.S. is already spending more than $5 billion a year on the costs for metabolic operations, approximately 240,000 procedures per year, yet there is no clear evidence that these operations are actually reducing morbidity and mortality. Did you know that an investment of approximately 1% of the annual costs for metabolic surgery can fund a randomized controlled trial to answer the fundamental question of our time? And that question is, does metabolic surgery actually reduce morbidity and mortality of type 2 diabetes and obesity? Come to the Mason Lecture at ObesityWeek, November 6th at 10:30 a.m. And I will tell you why this 1% investment is well worthwhile. I hope to see you there.